If you're new to my channel, my name is Alex Lowe, and I'm the founder of Lexus Studios, a professional coaching and consulting company. We help founders, coaches, and corporate executives fix their vocal mechanics so they stop losing high-ticket contracts on video. Before doing this, I spent 8 years working as an IT professional, obsessing over a single question: how do I get better on video? That journey led me from quiet corporate desk worker to getting cast on professional theatrical stages in independent films. Given this is social media and anyone can claim anything, I'm flashing my actual stage and film footage on screen right now, so you can see it for yourself, along with a raw 30-second before and after clip of one of my students' vocal transformations. Well, the good thing about this training is that you don't have to know the material. You're training your instrument. Think of your body as like an instrument. If you get proficient at playing this instrument, whenever you have like some notes in front of you, like a song in front of you, or a passage that you're not familiar with, you can just use your instrument to play on the fly. Let's just do that first paragraph. Just read it out loud best you can.
Sure. The Lord is my shepherd, I lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He refreshes my soul. He guides me along the right paths for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of me.
That's good, Justin. Let's just stop after comfort me. That was great. That was excellent. Great job.
Thank you.
3 deep breaths. When you're ready, start at line 1 with that same energy.
Mom, the Lord is my shepherd. I lack nothing. Mom, he makes me lie down in green pastures. Everything is good. He leads me beside quiet waters, Mom. Mom, he refreshes my soul. Mom, he guides me along the right path for his name's sake. Mom, even though I walk through the darkest valley, Mom, I fear no evil. Mom, he is with me. He is with you too. Always. Mom, his rod and his staff, they comfort me.
Nice. That was so brilliant, Justin. The way that you improvised. When you said refreshes my soul, I really felt that joy that you felt. That was a brilliant performance. If you want a personal audit of your on-camera presence to see where you're dropping in authority, type in audit in the comments below.